Okay, so I'm just doing a quick demonstration of how you can make an app out of any website, basically, any website you want, so that it hasn't got, for example, the frames, so it hasn't got the like the Google search bar and stuff like that. So I use an app called Hermit, and if we just go to the App Store without my phone glitching, you can put in Hermit, and there you go, Hermit Light Apps browser, and you open that. So if we were going to use APK Mirror, for example, we would search it, APK Mirror. You can see people search for the app, and there isn't such a thing as an app. And then we go to get rid of all the agree stuff. All of that, we don't want to go back to that. APK Mirror. There. So we simply copy the link, go back to Hermit, create your own, type it in or paste it in, and create light app. So once it's loaded, so there you go, you've got APK Mirror loaded. We create it into an app. I tend to rename them so they're more, you can tell what they are. I always put light so that I know that it's a Hermit light app. Add to home screen, add to home screen. There we go. We've got APK Mirror. If we go back to here, there we go. We can edit that. We can get rid of the badge. I find a bit of a better logo than that. APK Mirror logo. Meaning images. So like that one, for example, we can download that. We can go into there, we can change that. Gallery apps. Ignore the junk in my gallery. There we go. APK Mirror. That's better. Reshape. Yeah. And there we go. And when you open it, so you'll still have at the top there the search bar. If you swipe in from the right, go down to frameless, and there it is. It is installed virtually like an app, and that's the same with things like Prime Gaming If we go back to where's Hermit gone? Hermit, where have you gone? You can see it's like Ree Brownlee, for example. I use that a lot, but it hasn't got an app. And a lot of people moan and groan because it hasn't got an app. But if you use Hermit like this, you don't need an app. It works just like an app. So what else have I got in there? PDF drive. I don't think that works anymore, but that would work like an app. TubeBuddy now has its own app, but actually what you quite often find is that the App Store apps don't have as many options as the as a light app would do. So as what would be a web page would do. What else we got? Google Trends is an app. So anyway, so yeah, that's just a quick demonstration, and literally all you do each time. So if you wanted to do Google Trends, you would say you wanted to do Google Trends, so we'd put in Google Trends, open it, open Google Trends. We would copy that, go back to Hermit, go to create your own, go to there, enter, and then once it's loaded up, just hit create light app, Google Trends, light, add to home screen. I always take off the badge if you've got a launcher that has badges. I always like to take the badge off. Then we've got Google Trends. And again, remember the thing to do is once you've opened it, swipe in from the right, go down to frameless. That then gets rid of the frame at the top there. So then you've got much more of an app-like experience. And yeah, quick demonstration of Hermit. Highly recommended app.